You gotta get the car in.
Yeah. Bryan, first time RC car driving.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not ready for the dirt yet. Nice and cool out now.
Yeah.
This is the perfect time.
Once you get it lined up straight, punch it and then let go.
What are you doing, video?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is about how I drive the truck at work.
It's about how you drive your car.
About as fast. Now, how do I do a flip?
Wait, this is on half power mode. It won't do a flip.
Oh, okay.
But when you get the hang of driving in the track and then being able to handle it, being able to turn or stop when you need to, I'll put it in fast mode.
I don't want fast mode. I'm an old timer.
Fast mode's fun.
I'm trying to jump over that car.
Oh, no. Don't try and do that. That was an accident.
Oh. I thought that's what it was meant to do.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. That was an accident. Uh-oh.
Where you at?
I'm stuck over here. I gotta look where I'm going. You know what I noticed, Rich?
Yeah?
I gotta cut that bush down a little bit. It's kind of dangerous at the corner. Oh, a real tough guy. Oh, he's upside down.
Yeah, if you want to go really like anywhere you want to go, you need to get a 10th scale car.
A 10 scale?
Yeah, there will be about like this long, about this high.
Oh, a 10th scale.
10th scale, yeah. These are 16th. But I got them because I figured they could, they're good for my son.
I'm buying one of these guys. I'm buying two of these guys. Forget that eBay stuff.
And the nice thing about this, as opposed to like a Radio Shack car, aside from the performance and everything, you can repair them. Something breaks, you order a part and fix it. Just like a real car. And the Traxxas cars come waterproof out of the box.
Dangerous.
You can jump that.
Oh no!
That's my fault. You're not supposed to do that.
These are cool.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, the battery just died. We're at full speed.
You can take it in now?
Huh? I'm just putting. I got another battery right here.
I'm gonna go wee wee.
Alrighty. Oh, I'll stop recording.